Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best survival gear. Here are the top 3 survival gears that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. TAIKER Emergency Survival Kit. TAIKER Emergency Survival Kit includes compact emergency blanket for warmth, protection from the elements, and signaling. It also includes waterproof matches to start a fire in any weather condition or to signal for help. The kit contains a pocket knife, used for cutting rope, making shelter, and other survival tasks. It also essentially has a compass with whistle, which can be crucial to find your way home and call for help in case if you get lost. Most importantly, it contains duct tape for emergency repairs or first aid, and as an all-purpose adhesive. At number 2. SCRIBY Survival Kit. This kit comes with a survival knife, survival paracord bracelets, a wire saw, a water bottle clip, an emergency blanket, and other useful accessories. It is a perfect gift for men and boys who are interested in adventure or family outings, including camping and trekking. This kit is an optimum companion to provide safety assurance and relaxation of mind when facing risky situations or tough adventures. The box is water-resistant and portable and can be placed in a backpack, car, drawers, climbing gear, or mountain bike. It carries a weight of 2.28 pounds and its dimensions measure 8.98 by 7.17 by 4.96 inches. At number 1. EILIKS Survival Gear Kit. It is a lightweight and versatile kit which offers adequate help in different situations, including walking through jungles or while camping. This kit includes a utility knife which can be used to cut through plastic or rope, pry open doors and windows, or even as a weapon if necessary. It is a multi-tool kit that includes wire saw, emergency blanket, flint stone, blow fire tube, flashlight, whistle, and other necessary items. This kit contains a survival knife which is made from stainless steel and has a 4.5 cutting edge. It can be a perfect gift for boys for various occasions like birthdays, New Year celebrations, Christmas, and other festivities. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.